Start na ba? Yan. So, this year, 2024, magto 2 years na ako sa freelance, and then, ang dami ko na rin nagawa in general sa life. So, dati, nagbebenta ako ng toys after ng pandemic, and then, nag-tutor ako before, first job ko, and then, nag-masters ako noon, and then, nag-industry ako before the pandemic sa Laguna, as reliability engineer sa semiconductor industry, ganyan. And then doon ako nagbenta ng laruan, anime figures. And then after some time, nagkaroon ng mind shift dahil grabe talaga yung pandemic, as in the great reset siya, no? Physically, mentally, and ano talaga siya, game changer siya. So after doon, nagtamambay muna ako, umuwi muna ako dito sa Bulacan, and then yun, start na dun yung freelancing journey ko. And then 2024, magto 2 years na, and I'm trying to have multiple clients. So umaalis ako dun sa aking safe zone, no? I'm trying out new things. That's why I'm doing this video, and para din meron akong balikan. Meron akong accountability body, and that's you. Kung sino man yung nanonood sa akin dito. So, ilalagay ko rin ito sa YouTube. So, I'm transforming my YouTube not gaming, anime channel / toy channel. Si Spicy Santorio, dun sa mga viewers ko before, dun sa live selling and anime. So, yung Facebook, Spicy Santorio, hindi ko siya gagalawin kasi that's my case study. That's from being 4K followers, 3K to 5K followers, simula nung benta ako ng toys, and then transition to anime content last December. So, nirevive ko yung page na yun last December 2023. And then after 2 months, December and also January, from 4K, 5K followers, naging ano siya, 97K followers siya nung January. So, I'm very proud of that page. So, ayokong i-transition tong freelancing accountability JR for Honda na bago kong page. Ayokong gawin yung Spicy Santorio page na yun. Kasi hindi naman yun yung target audience ko for this freelancing journey. And, yeah, I think case study ko na lang siya. And, yeah. Pero yung YouTube, yun, gagawin kong papalitan ko yung YouTube ko, gagawin ko siyang freelancing journey na siya. Pero I will retain the anime content there and also toy content. And maybe if I have time and aligned pa rin ako sa toys and anime, pwede ko yun. Pwede rin akong gumawa ng mga videos doon. Pero mainly, I'll be focusing on freelancing, getting clients, getting out of my comfort zone. So, vlogging like this one, and also kung ano yung ginagawa ko, or ano ba yung mga pinagkakabalan ko, paano ba, as in journey lang talaga siya, as in parang literal na vlog style. So yeah, I think okay na yun for today, and ayoko na mag-explain. Babalikan ko tong video na to, hindi anytime soon. So ako rin kasi yung tao na mahilig mag-jump from one thing to another. So hopefully 5 years from now, mabalikan ko tong video na to, and masabi kong successful na ako. Good luck sa atin lahat. Bye!